We'll guide you through how to change colors in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on the Filter option. In the drop-down menu, look for Adjust and then select HSV Adjustment. This will bring up a new window where you can tweak the hue, saturation, and value of your selected layer or the entire image. To change the color, you need to adjust the hue slider. Move it left or right to see the colors shift on your image. You can see the changes in real time, so adjust it until you get the desired color. If you want to make the colors more vibrant, increase the saturation slider. If you want to make them more muted, decrease it. The value slider will adjust the brightness of the colors. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. A helpful tip is to make sure you're working on a duplicate layer so you can always revert if needed. You can create a duplicate layer by right-clicking on the layer you want to edit and selecting Duplicate Layer. This way, you keep your original image intact. Remember to save your work frequently by going to File and clicking Save, or using the shortcut Ctrl+S. This ensures you don't lose any progress. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change colors in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.